Welcome to FunrideToys' easy assembly of your Gladiator 3-in-1 ride-on EV, main body, cell battery, 2 hand rests, parental push bar, charger. Insert the backrest into the rear side of the body. Attach both hand rests to the backrest and rotate them 180 degrees. Lock the handrest to the holder by pulling the lock provided in the handrest. Insert the parental push bar into the backrest as shown. Lock the push bar in place by pressing the button on the bar. Open the battery cover by unscrewing. Do the battery connections as per the instructions near the chamber. Close the battery cover. Open the battery cover. Insert batteries. And close the cover. On/off switch, power the ride on or off. Forward/backward button, switch directions with a press. Accelerator, press down and ride forward. Charging point, for easy recharging. Your Gladiator is now ready to use.